Just got done at you all right here. You all. Y'all, I'm not supposed to film. I'm not supposed to film, but I'm kind of determined to start filming today because I've been gone for way too long. So, first off, welcome back to my channel. I know I've not filmed a video, I've not posted a video in a long while, and if you follow me on all social media platforms, which I already told you guys what's up, you would know why. But just in case you do not, go ahead now and follow me on all my social media platforms. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, follow me on all that stuff. But anyways, I already shared it on social media, and I've been gone for almost a month now because I was robbed. I was robbed. I lost everything, but I will tell you guys all about the robbery and how I've been able to hold up ever since then in a separate video. But right now, I just kind of want to film today because today or tomorrow I'll be moving to my college. You all remembered my last video was about me. It was about my acceptance letter into nursing school. And what I didn't tell you guys in that video was my school is in a different city from where I live right now, which is kind of a bummer, right? My first 2 years of college was right next door. I just wake up probably like an hour before my class starts and head off to school. But my last 2 years of college is gonna be outside Houston. I'm moving to my college today or tomorrow. Why I'm not sure if it's gonna be today or tomorrow is because right now I'm heading off to my hairdresser's house. She's like a friend. She's like elderly friend. We both did our pre-nursing together, so she's gonna be making my hair, and I still have a lot of last minute shopping to get done. And if I get it done as fast as possible, I will then go to my college today. I'm gonna, of course, take you guys through everything I have to do today. But if not, then I would have to wait until tomorrow. So after about 2.5 hours, this is what we got done. I got here safely. You guys already know that. And I couldn't just start vlogging because we had to just start quickly. So this is what we have now, and I can't wait to show you. I'm gonna show you guys the finished look. I feel like this is gonna suit me really well.
Jules, baby.
Guys, I just literally finished my hair. I showed you guys a clip of it. I hope you guys like it. I love it, and this is gonna take me through at least 2 months. And I'm just headed to, you know what, I'm still trying to figure out how to use this camera, okay? So bear with me. I don't know, but I'm headed to Lowe's now. I had gone there to buy a paint, and they sold me a primer, so I'm gonna go return it, get my money back, and do some last minute shopping.
I get to get away the trouble me, oh. She just bust my brain. She dey say she want my sugar cane. She dey twist my dress. Yeah, you sweet girl. Yeah, you turn me up.
So guys, I got them now quite long. Change into another clothes, and I'm gonna show you guys my house. You guys need to see how disorganized everywhere looks. And what I didn't tell you guys again, I mean, there's a lot to catch up on, guys, is I'm actually moving to 2 different places. Number one, I'm moving out of this apartment because you guys, I already told you guys that I was robbed, and it was it happened in this apartment. So for that reason, I have to move from this apartment to a different apartment and then move to college. Does that make any sense? So this is like a two-part moving vlog. So I'm moving to a different apartment and I'm also moving to college. Does that make any sense? Anyways, let me show you guys around. My life is kind of like a mess. Let me show you. So this is all we have. This is all we have going on already. Look at that over there. I can't stand up right now. I would have loved to show you guys my room, but I still have to get something done, like go to go book a U-Haul for my apartment to move the things I want to take to another apartment, because the things that I want to use at school, I actually ordered those from IKEA. You guys are gonna say that when they deliver it, but right now I need to go get a U-Haul I'm gonna use to move these items to a different apartment, and I want to go to the mall just to get a few items. What else I have to do? And also order African food, because I'm gonna be at school tomorrow. Did I tell you guys that tomorrow is my orientation? Okay, my orientation is tomorrow and Friday, so I have to go get African food. These are the things I have going on today, and let's just get started. Just got done at U-Haul right here. U-Haul, yeah. So I have an assistant, in case you're wondering. I'm not driving. My assistant is the one driving me. Hi, assistants. You all know that assistant that never wants to show their face on this vlog. Yeah, they're the one driving. Anyways, we're done with you all. And we got this size. This big size. Can you move backward a little bit? We got this size. That should be enough for like a room, you know, my furniture and stuff. And now we are headed to African restaurant.
Drop my shit. Oh na na, oh na na. Be cool, and then be what the? Fresh on the beat. Guess what it's called? What's called?
Damn, fresh
And I go publish the matter for
So
yourself.
after several hours, we made it to the mall. Yay! So I'm gonna be checking out a few pieces, and I have a tip for back to school shopping on a budget. So you all know fall is right around the corner, and they're gonna be selling most of summer pieces on sale, and that's about time that I'm gonna buy pieces that I'm gonna be wearing in school. This is because I live in Texas, and in Texas it's like summer all around the year. So but right now I just want to pick up a few pieces for the first few weeks of class, and yep.
Dr. Dollar Entertainment.
Yeah.
Spells.
Shonko, Emi Anita Beka, you are no Shasha nigga. Kimila wa muja Jojo Shina Pitas. You today, you have me a cigar. Along call, you are my holy Lori standing.
Hey guys, good morning. Like today is my official moving day. So I woke up like 5 a.m. and I have to start going now, since my school is about, it's a little bit farther from here. So I need to go bring my car around, put all this little stuff, and then set to go. So guys, I just got to my car, and I just want to show you guys quickly what I have here. So this is a little bit of more stuff, and bear in mind that I'd already taken some stuff when last I visited. More stuff, but yeah. Oh Lord, I can't even get it to close. Wait. Oh God, I can't. plant. Oh shit. Jeez. Okay, got it. I'm gonna be on my way now, and it's gonna be a long, dark type of ride because it's still very early. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be on my way now.
They told me everybody's 15 minutes in a different time zone. And since I have it at the moment, you the one I wanna shine my light on. Get your life, little mama, won't you get your life on?
3 hours later, I got here, and I just want to show you guys quickly what we have already in this room. And yes, did I tell you guys that I have a roommate? I'm gonna be introducing her to you very soon. But yeah, not a roommate, like an apartment mate. Okay, so this is my room. So this is what it looks like from the door. And I kind of had it painted to white the last time that I was here. I painted it to white, and I hung some of my clothes that I brought with me. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys the real color with my roommate's room. So this is the actual color. This is the actual color. Well, obviously I didn't like that, so I had it painted to white, which I'm loving, and I can't wait to decorate this place. And this is the living room. This is the living room. And I'm gonna be showing a bathroom. This bathroom right here. That's me. I'm gonna be showing this bathroom with this person right here. And this is a little closet. So it's like a student housing, which is perfect for me, which is why it's so important for me to have, you know, a different apartment that I can always go to maybe every weekend after class and just, you know, relax at home and then come back on the Monday morning or, you know, Sunday evening. So this is like just a student living. I hope you guys like the tour. It's really quick, but it's nothing to show you guys. And I got most of my things from IKEA, which is gonna be delivered tomorrow. So I'm gonna put this place together, and I'm gonna do an official furnished room tour for you guys. But this is kind of like an empty apartment type of tour. And yeah, so right now it is 7:30. My orientation starts 7:45, so I have to go now. Thank you for watching this moving vlog and a little bit of apartment tour. And well, I'll see you guys soon. So I'm gonna be uploading another vlog, which is gonna be about my orientation, so make sure you do check that out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and bye.